What if I told you saving just $100 a week could completely change your future? Most people ignore this and stay broke forever. In America, most people spend money the moment they get paid. Fast food, Amazon orders, subscriptions, coffee, weekend shopping. And they think it's only a few dollars. But small spending habits destroy big futures. Now imagine this instead. Every single week, you save just $100. That's it, not $1,000. Not some crazy amount, just $100 a week. $100 a week becomes $400 a month, around $5,200 a year. Now imagine investing that money instead of wasting it. If you consistently invest $100 every week for years, your money can grow into tens of thousands of dollars. That's how wealth is really built in America, not overnight, not from lottery tickets, but from consistency. Poor habits say, I'll save later. Rich habits say, I save first. Most broke people spend first and save whatever is left. But usually, nothing is left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They pay themselves first, then spend the remaining money. That one habit changes everything. Imagine two people in America. One person wastes $100 every week on random shopping and fast food. The other person saves and invests that same $100. Fast forward 10 years. One person has memories of temporary purchases. The other person has investments, financial security, and freedom. That's the power of small, smart habits. Remember this. Financial freedom doesn't start with a huge paycheck. It starts with small, consistent decisions. Saving $100 a week might not feel life-changing today, but your future self will thank you for it. Subscribe for more money and mindset videos. Comment. Save $100 if you agree.